So I did it. All the glazes are put away. And I put everything in here, all organized. Paintbrushes, spoons, and sponges. Pencils, and measuring, and clips and stuff like that. Other things that I need again and again, and replacements for other things. And of course, this amazing stuff here. And then all my stamps and all my modeling tools and my trimming tools and carving and sgraffito and sort of modeling tools, and then all my ribs and wires and stuff. And back here hidden I have more stuff, all the long stuff. I forgot at the top I also have all the things I use to make the clay different thicknesses. There we go. So yeah, that's back here. My rolling pin. And then down here, I just have a lot of random things that take up space. And then over here, I have room. Pottery can go here. I finally have a place to put these things here. These hand wheels, I don't know what they're called in English. And then here I have some glaze stuff and wax and the things I use to put the wax in, and a toolbox if I want to put tools in I have to take with somewhere. And then over here I organized also more. I have all these different tools and things in here, a little more organized. Oh yeah. And I'm planning to ask my husband to put another shelf here so that I have room for more pottery, because this is just a space that's empty here that I could actually put pottery. So we'll see if we put another shelf in here. So yeah. And I cleaned up the table. Oh, I'm so used to it being full of stuff. Like honestly, I would use the table from like here on to here, and this would all be full, and this would all be full. So it's amazing to finally have room to work. And all this stuff is gonna go on the wall. I extra bought this thing that is made to like put newspapers away. But instead of newspaper, I'm gonna put all these different sketches and stuff that I use again and again for, you know, sculpting and stuff. I'm going to put everything in that. And then, yeah. And then these will also be put away. And then I'll have more room here as well. Feels good to get things a bit organized and not have it be so messy. Yes, I'm still cleaning that up. But I think I've made quite some progress.